Alright, about to get started. Dude, what the Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode we're going to replace the steering wheel on the Wrx. I hate the steering wheel. I'm pretty sure I believe we mentioned a couple times on the previous episodes. It's just so big, and it just takes away from the driving experience. It is also fading in the corners. It's just showing its age. I believe this is a stock steering wheel, so we're gonna go ahead and replace this guy with the NRG steering wheel, quick release, and the short hub. But we'll give you guys a before and after shots, maybe some driving impressions. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, about to get started. Dude, what the fuck, strut? What the hell? Yeah, I thought John was got started already.
Oh man, you took forever.
Alright.
We're gonna take the steering wheel off. I think you got a hub, adapter, you got quick release.
Yeah, short hub, quick release, and
I'm gonna put my bed back up here.
And the steering wheel itself.
Yeah.
Do you want to run through what's involved with the install real quick, and then?
There's still a boulder in my eye. Feels like a rock.
I'll just go wash it out.
I don't remember what's involved in the install. I've already washed it out.
Oh.
It's not coming out.
Well, hold on.
If I'm
open your eye.
If I'm doing this for half the episode, God. I don't remember what's involved other than taking this off. I've never installed NRG stuff, so we'll find out.
Okay. All right. I guess.
Open my eyes. So we'll see you in the next scene here.
Let's go. Get.
So we'll take these Torx 30.
Oh, it's Torx.
Yeah.
Interesting. I don't think I've ever seen Torx on a Subaru.
Contrary to what most people think, these don't come all the way out. Stay in there. So don't sit there and kill yourself because they're not coming out, because they won't.
Pro tip.
Eventually they will, actually. I just don't know how long you're going to be there spinning it. They kind of get loose and sort of kind of fall out of the slot, and then that's it.
Oh, by the way, before you start doing the steering wheel, you have to unplug the battery just in case, because you're messing with airbag, right?
Yep. So I did that a minute ago.
Better safe than sorry.
And you try the yellow, just like that.
What was that, 17?
Yeah.
Alright. Yep, leave the nut on there when you're wiggling the steering wheel around so you won't hit yourself in the face. And then just like that, it is out.
Alright, man, all done. See you later.
Alright, good to go. I can start steering with this little knob over here.
Yeah.
Aftermarket stuff doesn't work with the cruise control. The clock spring is gonna have to come out. So we're gonna have to remove these plastic brackets to get this guy out so we can slide the short hub in there. Since we removed the airbag, we have to put a resistor so the light, the dash light won't come on. John is inside the garage trying to find a resistor to put in here to trick the ECU.
Alright, so we got the adapter on here. There's kind of skip past that part, but there's 2 plugs behind there, just little spade connectors for the horn. So you plug those in, you put the thing over top, you put these bolts in, these Allen bolts, Allen screws, Allen bolts, machine bolts, machine screws, nails, something. Click, click.
Alright.
Click, click. Looks a little cleaner now.
Looks super nice already, man. We didn't even put the steering wheel on. So not only this helps with the driving experience, it's actually secures the car too. You can take the steering wheel, put it inside the house. No one can steal the car.
Yeah, it would definitely be tough.
Yep.
Are they hub specific, or are they have this universal attachment? Meaning if someone has a steering wheel, they can bring it with them.
Well, if they do, I'm pretty sure that will work. I don't see why that wouldn't.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to attach this piece to the steering wheel and then bolt it down. It's just crazy. Yep. I mean, look at the opening here. Like, you don't need that arch to be coming around that way that much. I mean, come on.
Well, kinda. It shows you your gauge cluster, so you probably have to duck a little bit to see it now.
Hello.
But the overall diameter is still way too big. Dude, there's no crappy slop in this. This is awesome. Like, that's solid. Your blinkers are so much further away than the Miata's. Alright, so what's the... I'm trying to figure out what the ergonomic way is to do this. Do you use a pointer finger? Do you do this? Oh, you do that, I bet. You use your thumb and a hand on the top of the ball. No, that's weird, because then your finger gets smushed. That little pin is going to take some getting used to. Because, you know, like, I feel like you see people, like, they go into things, they're like, it comes right off. It's like it's a fluid motion, so, like, what's the ergonomic? Your thumb doesn't work. Maybe it's this thumb? I don't know. That's weird. You have to play with that. Quick release is pretty, though. I like the carbon behind there. It's pretty nice looking.
Yep. Yeah, carbon.
Yeah, dude. There's no left to right. There's no play. I mean, this wiggles because it's obviously a steering shaft. But like, I've had steering wheels where you do this and you can feel the hub moving independently. This is just, you can hear the steering rack moving under the car. But anyway, the only thing we have left to do is the horn. We thought it was a little easier than what it actually ended up being, but we were wrong.
Yep.
It's got a ground on the front, which grounds, I believe, on the steering shaft. But then you have to have a connection coming from your wire to the back, like if this was your hub, the back of it has like copper.
Yep.
And it's got a layer of grease on it, so that to me says that something needs to ride on that to make contact. And then your horn continues the circuit, basically. It comes from the ground through and continues back to the plug.
Yep.
So no horn right now, but we'll get to that. We both got to look it up and see what the best way to do that is without Jimmy rigging it too much.
Yep. Stay tuned. We have more projects, more videos coming.
Yeah, this was just a little quick install that I know you said your steering wheel feels like a bus driver, so
yes.
Now you feel like you're driving a video game. So cool.
But all right, guys, stay tuned. Feed the addiction with Project Cars. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Definitely.
All right.
Thanks for watching.
Peace out.
See ya.